And we are back. Hello everyone, welcome back to 5 Minutes Code channel where I will be explaining the solution of every problem of lead code and Geeks for Geeks within less than 5 minutes. So without wasting time, let's get started. So today's problem of the day of Geeks for Geeks is split linked list alternatingly, which is an easy level problem, but believe me, it's a bit tricky problem and don't be sad if you were not able to solve it. Okay, so let's see. So what we will be given into this problem and what we have to do. We will be given a node head of the linked list. We will be given a head of the linked list of type node, and the structure of the node will be containing one data, and another one will be another node pointing to the next node. Okay, so two things will be there in one node structure. Okay, all right. Now what we have to do, we have to return a node array, and that node array will be having two elements, two pointers we can say, which will be having two linked lists. So it will be something like this. So first of all, 0 0 0, these are alternate elements. Similarly, 1 1 1, these are alternate elements. So we will be returning two linked list, we can say two linked lists in an array. Okay, so first one will be 0 0 0 and next one will be 1, this one, and then this one. Okay, similarly if we go to next here something, so let me delete this. Yeah, let's see here as well. So 2 8 6, one linked list, and another linked list will be 5 and 9. So we'll be returning two linked lists. So that's the thing. And if only one element is present in the linked list, then we will be returning that element and another index will be empty. Okay, all right. So this is roughly what we have to do. All right, so let's see what, how we can do this. Believe me, it's a very good problem for the linked list practice. And so what we will do, we will be having two pointers. Let's say two nodes I will make. First one, let's say 1, another one, let's say 2. Okay, so first of all, look, if only one element will be present, in that case head dot next will be null. So if head dot next is null, I will return a new array, and first index, 0 index, will be head and second index will be null. Okay, so this is the first edge case. Now after that there will be no edge case, all the things will be common. So what I will do, I will be having two nodes. Let's say I will make 1 and 2. So first of all, I will be assigning, let's say if this is the array 2 5 8 9 6, so I will be assigning 2 to this and 5 to this. Okay, all right, great. Till this point we are great. Now what I will do, I will update my head to 8. I will update my head to 8 now, and there will be a flag. Let's say flag is currently true. Okay, flag is currently true. So if flag is currently true, what I will do, I will do something like 1 dot next is equal to head. So it will be something like 1 dot next, 2's next will be 8, 2's next will be 8. Okay, and after that what I will do, I will be updating my head. Head is equal to head dot next. So head will be now pointing to 9, head will be pointing to 9, something like this, and I will update my flag to false. So if flag will be false, I will be updating my two linked list, second linked list 5. So 5 next will be now pointing to 9. Okay, again I will update my head. So now head will be at 6, head will be now at 6. Okay, now again I will be updating my flag as well. So flag will be true, flag will be true now. Okay, so 6 is there, and now it will be pointed to this, something like this, and head will be pointing to null now because I will update head again. So if head is null, I will come back. Now look, one thing you have to see, 9 was there, 9's pointer is still pointing to 6, 9's pointer is still pointing to 6. So once all the iterations are done, we have to update the last pointers to null of both. Okay, this will be pointing to null and this will be pointing to null as well. All right, and all set, we are done. So this is the thing. So first look, two nodes will be there, like one is there which will be pointing to its head, and then I will make a temp one as well, which will be updating to 8 6, which will be used for traversing basically. And similar thing we will do for two node. So yeah, I think that's it. That in that way we can do. So I would request everyone to please pause the video and try to code it by yourself. Okay, all right. So I hope everyone might have coded, but if not, let's see how we can code this. So but if you have loved the explanation, please don't forget to subscribe the channel as well. Okay, all right. So let me write the code for it. It will be something like node 1, as I told, will be new node, head dot data. Okay, all right. Then if I will check if only one node is there, head dot next is equal to null. In that case, I will simply return a new node array which will be having two things. First one will be head and second will be null, something like this. Okay, all right. And coming out of this, what I will do, as I told, I will be having one, and then I will be having one temp one as well for traversing, and one will be at the starting only at till the end. Okay, so node tmp1 is equal to simple 1. Okay, all right. Now similar thing I will do for node 2 as well. So node 2 is equal to new node head dot next dot data. Okay, and node tmp2 is equal to 2, something like this. All right, we are good till this point, and I will update my head is equal to head dot next dot next. Okay, because 0 is also done. 0 is pointing to 1 now and 1 is pointing to 2 now. So head is at the 0. Okay, so very simply I will be traversing my head now. So while head not equal to null, I will do something. Okay, before that, if you remember, I told I will be having one flag as well to know whether to add the next node to 1 or 2 of the linked list. Okay, so flag 1 is equal to true at this moment. All right, I will move forward. I will check if flag is true, I will do something. Otherwise, I will do something as well. Okay, something like this. So if flag is true, what I will do, I will be updating to temp1. So tmp1 dot next is equal to head, and I will be updating my tmp1 as well. tmp1 is equal to tmp1 dot next, something like this. Similar thing I will be doing for tmp2 as well, but if flag is false. So tmp2 dot next is equal to head, tmp2 is equal to tmp2 dot next. Okay, all right. Now there is something which is common. First one is to update the head. So head is equal to head dot next, and after that I will be like changing the flag as well. So flag is equal to not of flag. So if it will be true, it will be false. If it will be false earlier, so it will be true now. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And after that, as I told, I will be updating the next of both to null as well. So tmp1 dot next is equal to null, tmp2 dot next is equal to null. Yeah, let's see. Let me return this as well with 1 and 2. So if I hope it will be clear why I am having one node as well as one tmp1. So tmp1 is for iterating. So like next node, next node. Whenever I'm adding, I am updating my tmp1 to the last node. But 1 and 2 is the main nodes which I will be always at the starting. Okay, all right. Let me compile this first to check if there is any error or not, because I'm also solving it for the first time. So okay, uh, something is error here. Yeah, I'm not using double equal to, something like this. Let's compile and run it now. Okay, it is running. Let's submit it. And meanwhile, if you have loved the solution, please don't forget to subscribe the channel, because I'm making a lot of efforts as well. I'm recording this video at 1 a.m. in the night as well. Okay, so yeah, it's got accepted in the first attempt as well. So please solve this and share your feedbacks into the comment section, like the video, and I'm going to see you again tomorrow. Till then, keep on coding and bye. And please subscribe the channel.